Hi guys, I'm showing you this disposable paper cups. So this is the 12 ounce disposable paper cups. There's a pack of 192 and as you can see comes in a nice pack to protect these paper cups from molding or any other things. So here I'm open some of it so that you can see. So here like these cups is like the normal paper cup, but it's have this round corners on the top so that it's more protective and will not hurt your lips. So the cup itself is sturdy, so I will put some water in it just to show you. So it's not soaking and having the same shape, so it can hold the water well. And as you can see, it comes in the hand nicely and it's not deforming or soaking the water, and the corners are round as I said, so it's pretty much easy comfortable that it will not hurt while you're taking it. So this is the side view of the cups. So I'm putting two cups here, like one at this side and one the other, so you can see and feel through this video. That is easy. So they are nice disposable cups.